Troubleshooting your iPhone SIM card issues.
Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're going to be tackling a common issue: what to do if your new SIM card isn't working in your iPhone. This can be frustrating, but don't worry, we'll walk you through some steps to get it sorted out.
Is your SIM card properly inserted?
The first thing you need to check is whether the SIM card is properly inserted into your iPhone. Follow these steps. 1. Eject the SIM card tray using a SIM card tool or a small paper clip. 2. Ensure that the SIM card is correctly placed in the tray and that it's the right size. 3. Reinsert the tray back into the iPhone, making sure it's secure.
Is your iPhone recognizing the SIM card?
If your SIM card is inserted correctly, but you're still having issues, let's check if your iPhone is recognizing the SIM card. 1. Go to Settings. 2. Scroll down and tap on General. 3. Tap on About. If your iPhone is recognizing your SIM card, you should see the carrier, network, and ICC ID, your SIM card's serial number. If these details are not visible, your iPhone may not be recognizing your SIM card.
Have you restarted your iPhone?
Sometimes, a simple restart can do the trick. To do this, 1. Hold down the power button on your iPhone until the power off slider appears. 2. Slide to power off the iPhone. 3. After it's fully powered down, turn it back on by holding the power button until you see the Apple logo.
Have you updated your iPhone?
If the problem persists, make sure your iPhone software is up to date. An outdated software may cause issues with recognizing a new SIM card. To update your iPhone, 1. Go to Settings. 2. Tap on General. 3. Tap on Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and install.
Have you contacted your service provider?
If none of the above solutions work, it's time to contact your service provider. There might be an issue with the SIM card itself or with your service. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in troubleshooting your iPhone SIM card issues. Remember, it's important to go through these steps in order and not to skip any. If all else fails, contacting your service provider or Apple support might be the best option. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.